Hi guys, we're gonna show you what's in our fridge today.
My favorite part of the house.
So here we have some chard, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and some cucumbers, a tomato, and I made some granola bars, but they kind of fall apart a little bit. Cauliflower, broccoli, raspberries, blueberries, and the bottom shelf is strawberries. We ate one yesterday. Peanut butter, jam, salsa, ripple milk. It's really good. A lot of protein. I have some apples here, and then in the back there's some coconuts, some ramen broth, and a big bowl of peaches and nectarines, some leftover tofu, carrots, our chow cheeses. Chow cheese is really good. It's probably one of the best vegan cheeses you can get. Some more carrots over here, back there, lettuce, some really pretty beets, lemon juice. We got some waters. We always have some water in the fridge. A smoothie for Koa for later.
Leftover.
Some leftover tofu curry. We have some, let's see, French fries and fried artichoke leftovers. Here we got some more raspberries, some organic hummus, So Delicious vanilla coconut yogurt, the best butter. It has omega-3s and DHA, some coconut creamer, these like little raw chocolate snacks, and then these are Hunter's favorite.
It's just kitchen sauce.
Here we have some shots, some mayo, some jalapenos, almond butter,
Raw, sprouted.
some raw hot sauce, which is local here, a few drinks, some tea, kombucha,
Organic ketchup. Soy sauce.
And then down here are like our milks and juice. We have, this is really good, organic peach mango, coconut milk for our smoothies, some hemp milk, a lot of vitamins and stuff. Hemp milk, almond milk, and no chicken, vegetarian, well vegan, broth. And then we got blue agave and maple syrup. And in our freezer we have some vegetable pot stickers, corn dogs. These are my favorite. I'm so happy they finally came out with them. Some vegan meats. There's meatloaf, chicken nuggets, crispy tenders, sliders, burger patties back here. And then we have our fruit for our smoothies. We have strawberries and mango, blueberries, raspberries, pineapple, and of course our So Delicious ice cream. We got mango, vanilla, cookie dough, and snickerdoodle. And here we have our big 5-gallon alkaline water, Dave's bread, and then we got chips on this side, and crackers, more crackers, and this is stuff for our smoothie bowls. We have coconut shreds, coconut shreds, cacao, some goji berries, and then another thing of goji berries. And then here for wraps and sushi, we have some nori sheets, stuff for spring rolls, stuff for more wraps, veggie wraps, and then up here we have some ground flaxseed for baking. It's a good substitute for eggs, some maca powder, hemp seeds, chia seeds, Garden of Life, meal replacer, protein powder up there, vitamin mineral green powder, and then some Hawaiian spirulina. Here we got some brain on, chlorella. These are my prenatals. I got raw Garden of Life, the same as our protein. Another one, some E3 Live, which is good for like brain health, focus, and then electrolytes. And our teas. So here we have some garlic, some ginger, turmeric probably somewhere back there, granola, echinacea for immunity health, all of our chocolate collection, some cereals, and then this is our snack jar.
And then
We have Koa's food up there, vegan. Okay, so here we have all of our raw snacks, raw kale chips, nuts, pumpkin seeds, granola, trail mix, veggie chips for like hummus, a lot of raw crackers. The zesty pizza is really good. The Go Raw Flackers, some dried mango, some power snacks, snackaroons. These are really good because they taste just like candy. It's like a good movie snack. And then up here we have some sushi rice, some more raw cereal, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sprouted almonds, cashews, some pasta up there, and then to the left is just some cooking stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested, Hunter makes his own music. It's like conscious hip-hop rap, and you can check it out on all streams, Apple Music, Spotify, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.